I'm back. After service, I took the girls out to go and drink some hot chocolates. This is something that, because there's nowhere to go, the weather is so cold and it's so bad. There's actually literally nowhere to go. There's nowhere I'm going to take the girls. I'm not going to take them to the city because it's way too far. So I just take them to around the neighborhood to a cafe here to drink hot chocolate. At least we did something, because this is something I normally like to do. I like to go out with them and spend time together. At least it doesn't have to cost much, just spend time together. But since this weather has been so terrible, I haven't really had the chance to like go out with them, do something fun. So now what we did is just after church we go to the cafe in the neighborhood and then just drink some hot chocolate and spend time together, gist a little bit, laugh. It's always very fun for me, like spending time with the kids. We talk, conversation, talks. I get to know how they feel, what's going on, what's happening. It's amazing time to spend together. But it's so cold that we couldn't stay there for a very long time. We just stayed like an hour, drink like hot chocolate, eat some cookies, like this mini biscuit that they have, and then just gist and talk. And then they were like, you know what, it's so cold, let's go home and have a tea at home and with some popcorn. Luckily I have popcorn at home and some chips, so I'm just about to go and change and then go and make some popcorn and chips and then just sit down on the couch and do Netflix and chill. Nothing much, but yeah, this is the outfit. I was so in a hurry that I'm sure you guys have already seen the outfit, but yeah, this is the full set. This jacket and this is the bag that I had on. Love this bag. I'm so in love with it. It's so beautiful. So yeah, this is it. My room is a mess. I need to like clean underneath my bed. Underneath my bed is a mess. Like, yo, I don't know. In the summer, I don't mind wearing this shoe, but in the winter, especially when you're wearing leggings, and then I don't like the black when it shows. On this particular shoe, with this outfit, I didn't like the way it looks. So with the boots, for me, was much more better because the boot is covered everything. So I kind of like the look much more better with the boots. But yeah, maybe it's just my own head. Someone will say, oh, the outfit looks good with the other shoe, but in my own head, maybe I'm just paranoid. In my own head, it didn't look good. So yeah, I needed to change it. Now I created a lot of mess underneath my bed. Let me show you guys underneath my bed. It's a mess, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge. I'm gonna definitely just pack everything right now. Let me show you guys, okay? Stay tuned. Watch. Let me show you. This is what I'm dealing with. I opened almost half of the shoebox just to find where this boot is. But yeah, I'm gonna clean everything. So yeah, that is what I was dealing with. Now I have to clean everything up and organize this room. When it comes to the winter, I like to layer up. I don't really buy specific clothes thinking, oh, this is for winter. Like the way I'm dressing, I can wear this in the summer, any season of the year. It's just twist. Maybe in the winter I don't have to, in the summer I don't have to layer it up like this. I can wear this on its own, wear the blue shirt on its own. I can definitely wear everything on its own in the summer, but in the winter I have to layer up because it is freaking cold outside. Yeah, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think of my makeup. Yeah, I really love this look. I'm so obsessed with this Essence tattooed lip liner. It's so beautiful. I really love it, I think this is chocolate cake I ate. I ate, that's what's in my mouth. Oh my god. But yeah, it's gone. But yeah, it was an amazing day. Thank you guys so much. Team Fullers, heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna take this wig on because I wasn't feeling it. But yeah, my daughter said it was cute, but I wasn't feeling it, But yeah, that's it. Bye.